This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a low-profile jack. Before you begin, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual to find the correct jacking points. Ensure your vehicle is on a flat, level surface and the parking brake is firmly engaged. For extra safety, place wheel chocks on the wheels opposite the side you're lifting. Remember, never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Always use sturdy jack stands. Now, let's find the right spot. Locate the designated jacking points, usually on the vehicle's frame or pinch welds. Low-profile jacks are perfect for cars with ground clearances as low as 2 or 3 inches. Position the jack squarely under the point, ensuring it makes full, stable contact. Avoid placing it on suspension parts or the oil pan, as this can cause damage. With the jack correctly positioned, it's time to lift. Pump the jack handle slowly and steadily, raising the vehicle only high enough to comfortably place your jack stands. Once at the desired height, securely place the jack stands under the vehicle's frame, close to the jacking point. Then, slowly lower the vehicle onto the stands, ensuring they bear the full weight before proceeding. When you're ready to lower your vehicle, first slightly raise it again with the jack to relieve pressure on the stands. Carefully remove the jack stands from underneath. Then, slowly and controllably open the release valve on your jack, allowing the vehicle to gently descend to the ground. Once fully lowered, remove the jack and don't forget your wheel chocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.